Norwegian robotics firm 1X unveiled its latest home robot, the Neo Gamma, on Friday. The humanoid system will replace the Neo Beta, which was released in August. Like its predecessors, the Neo Gamma is a prototype designed to be tested in a home environment. Images of the robot show it performing a range of household tasks, including making coffee, doing laundry, and vacuuming. 1X says the bipedal robot will be released outside of the lab with limited in-home testing, but the company adds that the Gamma is still a long way from commercial scaling and distribution. The Neo Gamma represents a softer side of the humanoid industry, both figuratively and literally. 1X has crafted the robot to be more welcoming, with a friendlier design and a knitted nylon outfit. The latter is designed to reduce potential injuries from robot-human contact. The Neo Gamma arrives amid a sea of humanoids from companies including Agility, Aptronic, Boston Dynamics, Figure, and Tesla. While companies like Figure have run their robotic systems in mock home environments in their labs, all have prioritized warehouse and factory deployment. 1X's home-focused approach makes it unique among its peers. Home robots have always been a challenging proposition. Beyond robot vacuums from companies like iRobot, none have made significant market penetration. That's not for lack of experimentation. The technology simply isn't there. Home robots need to be usable, reliable, affordable, and significantly safer than their industrial counterparts. This is doubly true when you consider that aging technology is likely to be one of the primary goals of home humanoids. As the average age of the population increases, independent living for older adults will become an increasingly important technology goal. Along with a softer shell, 1X points to advances in Gamma's built-in AI system as a key element in designing a safer robot. These systems need to be hyper-aware of their surroundings to avoid potential harm to people or property. Remote control is also a key part of the safety conversation. While full autonomy is the ultimate goal for most, it's important for humans to be able to take control of the system in a tight space, especially at home. 1X has not disclosed how many Neo Gammas have been or will be produced over the course of the beta robot's lifespan. In the meantime, the product videos accompanying Friday's launch are best viewed as a proof of concept for how one of Neo's creations might behave in a home environment.